Hey guys, so I know it's been like a minute since I've done a video. I actually have a lot of stuff that I want to unbox, and I actually have a lot of Legos that I still need to build for you guys. I've just been so busy with a lot of other things, but I actually just got this. It's a LARQ bottle. I'm gonna do kind of like an unboxing, but I just got this in the mail. I actually got it about 2 days ago. It was kind of an impulse buy, to be honest. I bought this because I saw a lot of like Instagram posts, and then actually I was at a Thai restaurant with my mom and my dad, and there was somebody with one sitting on their table, and I was like, okay, so it looks pretty cool in person. I don't know if I got the same one they did. I actually got, I think, the PureVis 2. It's like app controlled and all that stuff, but I'll kind of go into more detail when I do the unboxing. Um, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna try to do more videos. I still have to do my review of the Comfort Tranquil set that I have, and kind of like an unboxing of that. I have a few more. I have a controller that I just bought that I want to do an unboxing on too. So I'm gonna try to get those honestly done this week. I just have to. I kind of have to clean my house a little bit. Um, but I'll try to get those unboxings out to you guys. Uh, as always, thank you guys for the support, and let's get right to it. All right, so here's the box that it came in. Let's see. I have, okay, so I got the LARQ Bottle PureVis 2 Eucalyptus Green 1 liter, 34 ounces. So let's kind of check this out. Okay, so right off the bat, it's like covered in, um, I mean, the packaging, how they kind of packed it was really nice. It does have this kind of like, I don't know what material this is, but it comes in this. Let's see, let's take it out. All right, so this is how the box looks like. And so here, I actually don't know. It might be a French company. Oh, you know what? I think it's Canadian. So yeah, I think it's a Canadian company. That's why it is in French, because they are a Canadian company. Yeah, so it does look like San Mateo. No, that's California. Uh, uh, I think I saw somewhere that it was Canadian, right? Yeah, okay. Designed in California. No, I don't know. Maybe it was just shipped from Canada. I think that was in the tracking information. It was just shipped from Canada. So, yeah, so Purify Track Self Cleaning. One of the reasons why I got this, right, is I saw a lot of reviews on it. Well, I guess not a lot of reviews, but a lot of Instagram posts and even stuff on TikTok where it was, it has a filter inside of it that kind of will filter out any of the negative stuff in your water. They actually have two different filters. I think so. The one that I got came with three filters. I think it's just the standard filters, but it did come with three of them. They might be in the box because I didn't see anything else. Yeah, there was like nothing else in the box. So let's see on the side. All right, so it says purify, enhance water quality with two-stage filtration and purification for clean, better tasting water anytime, anywhere. Track. Set hydration goals and track your daily water intake using the LARQ app. And self-cleaning. PureVis technology activates every 2 hours to keep your bottle stink-free. So that I think was really cool. There is directions for use here. Use the LARQ bottle and bottle cap according to instructions only. This product is not suitable or intended for children. So here is the box. And yeah, there is an app for both iOS and Android. So unfortunately, the Android app, as of right now, what day is it? It's October 17th, 2024. As of October 17th, it's not yet available. I just checked their website yesterday. And I mean, dude, it could have come out like today, and I could just be wrong. But as of yesterday, the 16th, it wasn't available yet. But it is available on the iOS. And I was like, dude, do I really want to get. So when I bought it, I didn't realize that it wasn't available on Google Play Store yet. Um, it is intended, and obviously they have it here. It says it there that they will have it. So, from my understanding, quarter 4, so sometime October through December of this year is when that app is supposed to launch. So, hopefully, we can get it soon. But let's go ahead and continue with the unboxing. So, I'm just going to pull off this sleeve here. Better hydration, better use. So, I guess that's kind of the front of the box where we kind of open it. Oh, actually, maybe like right here. Oh, okay, yeah. Unlock your hydration potential. Let's get started. So I bet these are the filters, right? Let's see. It's not the filters. I lied to you guys. Okay, so it comes with a little kind of box that has your safety manual and I guess, yeah, a getting started kind of guide. So, um, okay, so teaches you how to prep it. So it does have like a I wonder, let me do it real quick because I wonder if it's available if you own it, right? Okay, so let's see. Yeah, no, it's on the app. It just still says coming soon. So, not yet available, but hopefully soon. You got to prep your filter. Get started, continue. But I believe you can still use it even without the app. But obviously the app is going to be a lot more helpful to keep that hydration. Outside of that, the top there's nothing else. Now let's go look at the bottle. Okay, sick. Okay, so the bottle looks like this. I'm wondering, did I not order? I thought I ordered like 3. Let me go see. I could be wrong. You know what? I might have ordered. Let me just make sure. I want to say I did order 3 filters, but maybe they don't ship yet, or maybe I'm crazy. I don't know. Let's see. Order confirmation. Do. Okay. Okay, so I did order a filter pack. It ships every 6 months. So I'm wondering I might need to reach out to them because I didn't get because in the actual thing it just has the bottle um as the order in quantity 1, but it doesn't have anything about the filters. But that's fine. Um let's kind of undo this. And again, this was entirely impulse. I don't know how good this is going to be. I'm not. I just kind of thought this was a cool item. And I drink a lot of water because I go to the gym a lot. So I really just wanted something that was cool. So I like the handle. The handle's nice, actually. So that's one thing that I like about bottles is if they have a handle. Because a lot of times I like to just like hook it onto. Wait, what is this? Oh, it's also. Wait. Oh, that is sick. Okay. So I usually use a like carabiner. Is that how you say it? Carabiner? I usually use a carabiner when I'm hooking things on. But this has it kind of built in already. That's pretty neat. You just kind of push down, right? And then you can attach it to whatever you want. Uh, that's nice. I like that. Okay. I'll probably take that sticker off here in a second. USB charging port up at the top. How do I flip this? I'm terrified. Okay. Oh, so it just flips open like that. Nice. Nice click sound. And then this is the, I guess I should probably read the manual, right? I might jump in the gun here. Okay, press once for normal mode, double click for adventure mode, PureVis for cleaning mode. Okay, so, okay. So I'll go ahead and, let's see. There should be, yeah, so there is a filter already in here. Has like a pretty nice cover actually. So let me just kind of read about how this is. So you gotta prep the filter for about 10 seconds and then you put it back in. You fill the line 1 inch from the top and then you just kind of press the button. Um, That's pretty much the unboxing of it. It's just like a simple, you know, it's like pretty much any kind of bottle, but with app controlled. Um, I'm gonna tell you guys how it is. You know, like I said, unfortunately, I don't have the iOS. I don't have an Apple phone, um, or an Apple device, so I can't really download the app. But from my understanding, what happens is it will tell you to drink water every now and then. You know, and it's kind of such a simple thing that you could just honestly remind yourself to do. But I bought it, and I think the price kind of goes into that self cleaning. I'd be interested to see how that works because a lot of the times, for example, if so, I'm in Tennessee, and we don't have like the cleanest water. We don't have the dirtiest water, but we don't have the cleanest water either. And if I'm drinking water from the water fountain or like refilling my bottle, there's definitely a distinct difference in taste between the bottled water and then when I refill the bottle. Um, so I'm interested to see just how different that taste is going to be um, after filtering it with this bottle. But that's pretty much it, guys, for my unboxing. I'm gonna charge this up and kind of use it for about a week while I go to the gym, and we'll kind of figure it out from there. And we'll see how it is. But I'm gonna give some closing remarks, and I'll be right back. So I just unboxed it, and I'll be honest, I'm kind of excited to use it. It is smaller than I thought it was going to be, but to be fair, this is actually the size of bottle that I kind of drink anyways. I drink like the alkaline bottles from Costco. They're the what brand is it? It's like the Kirkland brand. I know Gatorade makes them too, but I just kind of I'll bring like a 1 liter bottle. I think this is perfect. I'm excited about this. I'm excited to use this. Um, you know, and I have a trip coming up in a few that I'm gonna definitely bring this with me too, and just kind of see what it's like. But I'm excited to use this, and I'll let you guys know when I come out with a review. So again, I'm gonna use this for about like a week, and then after a week, I'll go ahead and circle back around to you guys and kind of tell you my thoughts and how it is so far. But thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.